So the problem in New Zealand is our birds are really camouflaged. Because they're so endangered, we don't experience them on a daily basis. You have to really go looking for New Zealand wildlife. So I'm trying to highlight and introduce people and educate people about the amazing species that are on their back doorstep. It's just really important that people become aware of what's around them so that we can protect them and save them. So I donate 5% of all online sales to Forest and Bird so they can continue their amazing work, and then your home becomes part of the solution.